In this guide, you'll learn how to create and use a custom focus on your iPhone. Let's get started. Apple devices comes with built-in focus modes, but if you need something different, you can easily create your own using focus. Launch your Settings app, navigate to the option Focus. Now click on the plus option given at the top right, or also you can launch your control center. Click on the focus option. Now click on the option New Focus. What do you want to focus on? Click on the option Custom. From here, choose an icon and color for your focus mode. Give it a name. For instance, I'm gonna give it as Travel. Likewise, you can choose the icon, then click on Next. Now go ahead and click on the option Customize Focus. Now follow the on-screen instructions to customize it, such as choosing which notifications or contacts are allowed it while the focus is active. Once your custom focus is set up, turning it on is simple. Just open Control Center again, tap Focus and select the focus mode you created. When it's enabled, your device will limit distractions based on the settings you choose, helping you concentrate on what matters most. And that's how you create and use a custom focus on your iPhone or iPad. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.